Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F85 error and you're wondering what is this F85 error and how can I fix it. So unfortunately this is not one of the easier fixes. What's happening is in the circulation pump you have a slide shutter signal there's something wrong with it, and so it's not sending the proper signal. So what you can do is you can get into your circulation pump and just make sure all the contacts and wiring and everything like that is clean, is intact, is not damaged in any way. And if that doesn't fix it, you're probably going to need to replace your circulation pump. So all of this stuff is kind of complex, and you're going to probably need a technician to do that. But before you call the technician and spend the money and everything like that, I would recommend that you, like whenever you get a random error on your machine and you're not sure what it is, just like on a computer that's not acting right, try to do a hard reset on the machine before you call the technician, which is just to turn it off and cut power to it completely. Either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. And leave it off, leave it disconnected from power for a full minute, plug it back in, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least understand what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.